APEcoin, or referred as APE, is an ERC20 utility and governance token which is known to be used within the APE ecosystem in order to incentivize, as well as empower an entire decentralized community building at the forefront of Web3. Not just that, APEcoin holders are said to govern themselves with the help of the decentralized governance framework controlling the APEcoin DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, and vote on how exactly the APEcoin DAO ecosystem fund should be put to use. Apart from this, the APE Foundation administers proposals that are already agreed upon by APEcoin holders. Before moving on any further, it is probably worth noting that APEcoin is a decentralized project that is known to have been inspired by Yuga Labs' Bored Ape Yacht Club project. Also, APEcoin was founded to have been used within the burgeoning APE ecosystem, which, as mentioned, is supported by the APE Foundation. APE is the native utility token of the APEcoin platform, which as a matter of fact can easily be used for a variety of purposes on the platform itself, like allowing APEcoin holders to participate in APEcoin DAO, while also being used in order to get access to merchandise, games, services, and events. Speaking of the APEcoin DAO, it is said to be entirely focused on building and maintaining the APE ecosystem in a rather fair and inclusive manner, thus providing an infrastructure for APEcoin holders to easily collaborate via an open and permissionless governance process. In addition to this, an administrative council within the APE Foundation, also known as the board, will carry out all the decisions of APEcoin DAO members. The board that we just talked about is largely responsible for bookkeeping, day-to-day administration, project management, as well as various other tasks that help in ensuring the community ideas have the support they require in order to become a reality. Know that APEcoin DAO members vote on board members. Furthermore, APEcoin is the APE ecosystem's governance token, which is responsible for allowing token holders on the platform to participate in APEcoin DAO and giving its participants a shared and open currency that can easily be used without centralized intermediaries. Having said earlier, about 62% of all APEcoin has been allocated to the ecosystem fund, which will support the community-driven initiatives as voted on by APEcoin DAO members. Other than this, APEcoin is one such platform that is also known to provide access to certain parts of the ecosystem that are otherwise unavailable, including exclusive games and services. However, for third-party developers, APEcoin is rather a tool used for participating in the ecosystem by incorporating APEcoin into games, services, as well as other projects. The APE Foundation was gifted a one-of-one non-fungible token, NFT, by Yuga Labs, the creator of Bored Ape Yacht Club. Yuga Labs is known to have conveyed all rights as well as privileges to this NFT, and its underlying artwork to the APE Foundation. Lastly, the total supply of APEcoin is permanently fixed at about 1 billion tokens, all minted at once. On launch day, March 17, 2022, nearly 30.25% APE will be in circulation, and this percentage will continually increase following the launch day at regular intervals over a period of 48 months. Not just that, the amount of APE in circulation is a dynamic number that will constantly change, both due to a myriad of market factors as well as the aforementioned schedule. The live APEcoin price today is $12.26 with a 24-hour trading volume of 4,931,770,267 US dollars. APEcoin is up 1,123.33% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 39, with a live market capital of $3,402,099,241 US dollars. It has a circulating supply of 277,500,000 APE coins, and a maximum supply of 1 billion APE coins. If you would like to know where to buy APEcoin, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in APEcoin stock are currently Binance, OKX, Hotcoin Global, Mandala Exchange, and BitGet.